What's up, everybody? The Con Man here. I do have a beard. I might keep it, I might not. We shall see. Here's the game plan. I gotta do laundry. As I get done with laundry, I got about 2 to maybe 3 hours of fishing. So this is what we're gonna do. There's a pond and there's a lake. I can't fish that lake because it's private. Or I have to be with somebody, so I'm not gonna be able to fish that lake. But the golf course pond, I'll be able to fish it. I have had no problems. People come up, golfers come up to me all the time. It's good. So this is what we're going to do. After my laundry gets done, we're going to get the camera, get my bait caster, probably going to do top water, go out to this golf course pond, go catch some toads. Alrighty, we're heading there. Wow, that person didn't even stop. Be careful on the road, people. But basically, we're gonna head to this pond. My friend's okay, parking by his house, and I will meet you at the pond. This, wait for that car to pass. Anyways, this is where I'm gonna be fishing. And yes, I do have a duck. You might be asking, why aren't you throwing a frog? Well, every time I throw a frog, I lose it out here. But anytime I use a duck or a bluegill topwater, I don't lose it, so that's why. And I catch things off of the duck and the bluegill. So, I'll see you when I get a fish. that was fun. Basically, I went fishing for an hour and had one tiny, maybe 2 or 3 tiny bites. And they were eating topwater like crazy. So, I don't know. And I've caught this fish here off the duck before. Yeah, busy street too. And that behind me is a private lake, so I can't fish there. At least not now, I can't. So, this video, well, I apologize, but that's fishing, guys. You go out, and you can't always expect catching a fish. I would love that. That would be so nice if every time I went out, I catch nice 4, 5, 6 pound bass all the time. But it sucks because where I'm from, there's not that much fishing places, and where those fishing places are, it's really pressured because there's not that many fishing places, and then everybody wants to fish those places. Or I have to drive like an hour or 2, maybe 3 or 4, just to catch decent fish. So, yeah, it's a pain in the booty. In the other places that do have the nice fish and stuff, as you can tell, they're private. And I either have to know someone, or have to go somewhere else. I can't do any nighttime catfishing because I got wake up in the morning and do some, gotta go to work the next 2 days. But because I didn't catch anything today, I'll leave you with this, my friends. Don't always expect you to catch fish when you go fishing, and don't get upset about it. Because there's no point of being upset, or sad, or mad. There's literally no point for worrying about things. Because if you do all those, then you make life suck. So this video is mainly just say, hey, you know, you don't always catch the fish, but you gotta enjoy fishing. I know sometimes you'd be like, what the hell, man? I love fishing, but it sucks when you don't catch fish. Yeah, it really does, but you can't hate fishing because you didn't catch fish, you know. But anyways, it's getting really dark. My GoPro's about to die. And I think it's time for me to go home and go edit this video. But next video will be out next week. So I would just like to say like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, stay classy.